Hai Dolrok, omong kani part 2 video kok brok to English. Norok ani part 1 video nu jangkai o channel lah habai tasha nanya pedi part 1. Tini ni topik ngka winter season mane kesang majora. Mane kesang majora wo sengtam tamo kok sajak. Omonono oro English by mane translate kai dirika. Norok ani o video no paya sak nai tongdi noro English mana musungke. Kesang majora faika. The winter season has come. The winter season has come. Tini sal botoi. How is the weather today? How is the weather today? Tini kisah kesanggo. It is chilly today. It is chilly today. Tini kesanggo. It is cool today. It is cool today. Nung tini tidak kesang. Are you feeling cool today? Are you feeling cool today? Yes. No. Ang kesang tongka. I am feeling cool. I am feeling cool. Ang tini bela kesanggo. I am feeling very cool today. I am feeling very cool today. Nung tini tuda tukuka. Did you take a bath today? Ang tini tuku namusungya. I don't want to take bath today. Nengle tini tuku liana. I think you did not take bath today. Ang tini ti kutung by tukunai. Today I will take a bath with warm water. Ti kutung no English by warm water ni. Tamu nang kesangnya da. Are you not feeling cool? Ang keluy tongka. I am shivering. Kesang kelima English by shivering ni. Aniya sirok bormaya ang tongka. My fingers are going numb. Belai kesanggo nini jacket jumdi. It's so cold. Put on your jacket. Belai kesanggo nini tubi tubdi. It's so cold. Put on your hat. Ani room o belai kesanggo. My room is so cool. My room is so cool. Tini le kesang lia. Mia le belai kesang ka. Today the weather is nice, but yesterday it was very cool. Ani keksui padika. My lips are sapet. Keksui padi mana English by sapet sini. Kesang mabagai ani buku rok padi tong baca. My skin is cracking due to cool weather. Ang kongrai ung tongka. I have a cool. I have a cool. Ang kusuk tongka. I have a bad cough. I have a bad cough. Ani totra hamya ung tongka. I have a sore throat. I have a sore throat. Nung kesang majora da sajak na kolom majora. Which season do you prefer, winter or summer? Ang kesang majora sajago. I like winter season. Ang kolom majora sajago. I like summer season. Kesang majora dotin hor ungu. It gets dark very early in the winter. It gets dark very early in the winter. Tini siari. It is foggy today. Siari no English by fog in. Ja bravo pantoi. Dew drops on the grass. Pantoi no English by dew.